You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase in English. Relay, not relay. Relay, you probably knew that already. Baton. Baton is French for bâton, is French for stick. And so that's what you pass, passing the baton, what you pass in a race, for example. Relay baton is the pronunciation in English, how to pronounce relay baton. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.